What you do?
You ready for the gym, dog?
Oh, come go for say, what you doing, dog?
Hella shameless, necklace on me decorated. All this got me feeling jaded. Hold up, I'll be waiting. Bad thing on my radar. Told me that I'm in a playlist. Flower bomb, she a lotus. I be thinking in a.
Welcome back to the channel. If you're new, hit that subscribe button. If you're watching and haven't hit subscribe, make sure you hit subscribe. But welcome back to the channel. Today we have leg day. Today we are fully carb. We have some lion pride and yeah, we have some thermogenic fat burner as well because I'm pretty much in like a calorie deficit. I'm trying to go back to like this size. I want to go back to this. But that picture, I think I was 180 and I went up to 215 this morning. I was at 215, so I'm very happy about that. That progress is very, very, you know what I mean, appreciated. I love it. But anyway, hit subscribe. Today we have a heavy leg day. We're gonna go to the gym that's close to the house, but I haven't been to this gym in a while, which is 360 Fitness, and I think this gym is the first gym we actually started like doing videos for YouTube, right?
Yeah.
So I'm gonna go back there. I'm still paying for it, so why not use it? Plus they have a sauna. So yeah, my dream is to own my own gym. That's one of my biggest things to do, having my own gym. You know, the concept I have for the gym is something ridiculously awesome. But yeah, man, stay tuned and let's go hit some legs. It's gonna be kind of heavy, kind of medium. It's gonna be heavy, but yeah, stay tuned.
I've been trying hard to keep my cool.
It's alright, I already warm up. I already get a stretch. We just do some extra things. How do I get 360 Fitness? Let's start off with some squats. You know why, since we do some squats, you know, because of back pain and knee pain. So let's do a pretty warm up squat, you know? Yeah. When you come to squat, some people like to do a close stand squat, which is good for quad. I like to go to a shoulder length, so I can get like a shoulder length, and I'm pretty sure that's like a medium stance. If the form becomes compromised, just stop, because without proper form you're gonna hurt yourself. And that's just basic knowledge when it comes to working out or anything you're doing in life. So I'll put on some more weight and see how it feels. Look, you'll get some new plate, and I shall use it. Some protection. So I do some lunges. Pretty much didn't feel strong today. Actually, did feel strong. 350 never feel heavy. When we get to like 350, 360, that shit start feel heavy. So we just, you know, it's kind of get 2 reps, not 405, which I wanted to go for, but so is it. The lunges. Right, yo, one of the main things we try to focus on is controlling the weight. When we say control the weight, me like focusing on TUT, time under tension, for those who don't know. Pretty sure all I know. I'm hoping. But anyway, we'll check it as much reps as we can. Between 15 to 20 reps. To be honest, haven't made it to 20 reps as yet. Because I'm completely fatigued. I'm tired. Trying to control my breathing while doing the workout. But this damn belt, not doing such a good job. But anyway, like, comment, subscribe, and it's gonna be a good workout. Yo.
Wow.
You know like I broke it up? Yo. I swear. When I go do the set, I say, yo, bet to this pop. So set, so fucking done. Hopefully Jonas is this.
You did frighten?
No, come with that expect it, you see me? This man looking in the mirror.
Yeah.
Could I tell you talk about? But that's why I never go up to 5 plate because I say for boss or make sure say the weight something I can manage it, boss, you see me? But yeah. Alright, had a good workout, it wasn't bad. I'm gonna go home, get some feed and relax, proper nutrients and proper rest. I feel like I haven't been getting enough sleep. I feel like I have sleep like 5-6 hours and kind of difficult when you have all that shit. Yeah, I know you have all that shit way up, but just the minor things you have to focus on, especially sleep, because if you're not getting enough sleep, you're not going to get the results you're looking for if you're not eating right, you're not gonna get the results you're looking for. So there's a lot of things you have to play with to get results. So let's go home, have something to eat, and call it a night. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you guys when we get to the house, and yada yada yada, boom ba ba. All right guys, so back at the house. Katie actually makes some very delicious snacks. It's all vegan, it's delicious, and I'm gonna tell you exactly what we have. So if you come closer, what we have here, we have avocado, we have cabbage, and we have tostones. We have salt and no sugar added ketchup, so sugar-free ketchup. All right, so it's a pretty delicious snack. We actually tried some earlier, so I was putting some tomato ketchup, and you know, oh yeah, I also have carrot in it, so yeah. Kind of hot. But yeah. But yeah, this is really delicious. Thumbs up to Kaden for this. This tastes really good, you know, and it is somewhat filling. So if you're at home and testone is actually green, we don't know testone is a green plant, and one plant have 210 calories, and this is one plant, so this is literally 210 calories alone from the green plant. The cabbage itself is probably another 60-80 calories if I'm not mistaken, and you know, avocado, I didn't measure the avocado, so I can't tell you exactly, but you know, it doesn't have a lot of protein, that's one thing. But to make this even more protein sufficient, we can put some meatless beef, one meatless beef, and just put it in the tostones as well. I'm going to give you guys a video on how she made this. So like, comment, subscribe. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, hope you guys enjoyed the workout, and we'll see you in the other one.